Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of grooming with the Dumite Professional Cordless Barber Trimmer Set, a versatile grooming kit that includes 3 essential trimmers for all your haircutting needs. This kit features a full-sized clipper for trimming the hair on your head, a smaller T-blade clipper perfect for beard and neck hair, and a nose hair trimmer, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. Equipped with powerful rotary motors, these trimmers can handle various hair types smoothly and efficiently, while their high-capacity batteries ensure extended use, with the main clipper offering 2 hours of operation after just 180 minutes of charging. The digital display on each trimmer keeps you informed of the remaining charge and charging status, so you're never caught off guard. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel blades, these trimmers provide exceptional sharpness for precise styling without pulling, and their R-shaped obtuse edge design ensures a gentle touch on your skin. Plus, Dumite offers fast and professional after-sales service, ensuring you can purchase with confidence and have any concerns addressed promptly. So, if you're looking for a comprehensive grooming solution, the Dumite Hair Clippers Kit might just be your perfect match. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.